Are you looking to buy a home?
In South San Francisco?
Under 500,000?
Then we've got a listing for you.
You can't catch. Mace, go long. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go down. Keep going. All right, I got you.
Now let's check out this house.
So if you're thinking about touching down on the Westborough side of South San Francisco, contact us.
And if you're a seller that's looking to get the highest price in the shortest amount of time, please feel free to contact us for a no obligation consultation. Thanks so much and make it a great day.
Let's go Niners!
Home run!